Come on, buddy, you can do it. One step. There you go.
Oh no! It just rolled.
In the morning, I'll be on the way.
Don't say that to my cat. She's not fat. Her primordial pouch hangs low. She's fat. No.
You don't belong in there. You're overflowing the sink, buddy.
Peace was an option.
Ah! Oh God.